Hi crafters, so I'm going to use epoxy resin, 5 minutes to make this pumpkin earrings. I've never done it before, so we're working on this together. Taking a mold that I found in the Dollar Tree along with some glitter and see what happens and how this comes out. So here we go. So using this little measuring cup I have here, this is one of the cups that come from the medicine when you get medication and stuff. Guys, oh my god, so forgive me for the background noise. So I'm going to measure from here. I'm going to take the hardener and the resin, both of them giving the same equal amount, right? I'm going to take it here, put up to 5, just having a 5 here for one resin, and then up to the 10 for the hardener. So let's see how that works. Now for safety first, you need to use, I'm going to pour some here, right in this bottle. Oh, not squeezing. And I'm going to pour the resin. And I had to take off the cap only because it was going really slow with the, let's see, and I gotta move quickly because this dries really fast. I know it's probably not the intended product for this, so I'm doing my own thing. But I'm trying something. That's how we learn, friends. So here we go. Pour it to the next. It has to be equal amount, equal parts. That way it dries correctly. It may not be enough though. Let me see. Now I'm just gonna mix it, stir it. But let me pause for this. I'll be back. Mix, and I'm gonna pour it inside of this silicone mold. Hold on. Pour it in here. I'm going to do one at a time only because it hardens fast, and I think I didn't put enough, but that's fine because this is a trial and error product, so we'll see how this works. And then I have to sit there and let it get a little hardened. I have 2 ways I'm going to try this. I'm going to let it go clear first, then paint it orange, and then I'm going to oh, I don't think we got a little stem. Let's get some right here. There we go. Fill it up. Oh, I think we did do enough. Okay. And then I'm gonna put the other one and put some glitter in between. So we'll see. We got some ideas going making. If not, I'm gonna paint it with the glitter. We'll see. Now this is epoxy and this is resin, as they tell you to be safety first. And I didn't have on any gloves or anything. But if you're using epoxy and resin, be safety. Have your windows wide open because if you're inhaling, cover your eyes for protection for case of splatter, and also wear gloves for hand protection. So I do have my windows open, but my eyes are not protected. Actually, my eyes are protected. I have my glasses that I'm wearing, See, stir it in and see what happens there. But I want to add the glitter in. Yeah, I want to add the glitter in just to give it a little something. Isn't that pretty, my friends? Oh my god, that is so pretty. So we're gonna leave that, let it cure, because according to the packaging, it says that it sets in 5 minutes and it cures in 1 hour. So we'll see. So guys, I did 2 different things. When I made this one, I actually put the glitter inside the cup and mix it. And you notice, being that I put a little more glitter on this one, it's a little darker. Look at this one, it's more clearer than the darker one. See? So this one I had mixed the glitter inside the cup. See, like that. And this one, I put it on top, as you saw before, previous. Now I'm gonna do it clear so that way I can paint it orange and show you the difference. Okay, crafters, so take a look at this. Now on the packaging, I didn't know that you had to, before when I was mixing epoxy, you had to stir it for 1 minute. So if you look at both of them, on here on the left side on these were mixed every 1 minute before I put them in for the setting. And I'm seeing air bubbles, pockets forming, so I don't know how it will come out after it hardens. Now on this side, I only stirred it for a little bit, so you can see the difference how smooth it is. So let's hope it hardens the same way and it cures correctly. But I know, but that's the trial and error of this, because we're all learning. And I'm just doing this for the first time. So let's see. That's only to find out if it comes out correct. And one more thing, I'm not sure if it will come out easy out of the silicone mold, because some people I've watched when they do videos, not even videos, when they do make them, they put a little grease in so it's easy to come out, and I forgot to do that. But we'll see, friends. So I'm touching the mold at the bottom of the silicone, and it's very hot. That's how much I know about resin and hardening. Oh my god, it's so hot. I want to mess it up and let it come out, but the bottom up here, it is really hot. So I have to learn about what's causing this reaction. Oh my goodness. There goes my sign. Upside down so you can see, but it's not causing it to burn through, so that's a good sign. So reaction, I just don't know what that is. Versus the ones I did here. They were forming some little bubbles. But if you look at all three of them, 1, 2, 3, and I don't know if it's a chemical reaction from the glitter, but this one I only put a little bit and this is smoothest. So I see that maybe I use just a little bit of glitter. I like that. Forgive that noise in the background, friends. Okay, so this has hardened, but I'm not ready to take it out yet because it cures in 1 hour. But see, it's not gonna fall out. And remember I was telling you, it's warm to touch. However, it didn't burn a hole through the silicone mold. So far we are good, my friends. There we go. It's hardening, but I can't take it out yet into at least an hour. So we'll give it some more time, and then voila, we'll start this party. Alright, my crafters, it's time to reveal and see if it has hardened and how did it come out. Let's see how these pumpkins come out. Let's take a look, see. I'm going to try it now. So, see here in the back. Oh, see one fall. Oh my god, this is perfect. Look at this, my guys. Look at this. Wonderful. It has hardened and it has formed a perfect pumpkin. So look at that. You put the glitter inside and look at that. Look at that shimmery look. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do two. I'm gonna glue one. I'm gonna paint with some nail polish to give it a little glossy, shimmery look. And then I'm gonna paint one with orange, just so we give the feel of an orange pumpkin. And then we'll see how it comes out in the earring format. All right, I'll be back soon enough. So this is how the pieces have came out. Isn't that beautiful from a silicone mold? Painting it with nail polish. And remember, that's the glitter inside. This the glitter inside that you saw me put it earlier when I showed you. And the other side, I didn't put any glitter. You'll see it reflecting, but not much. There's more orange on this side. But this side shows it. These came out beautiful. Look at that. I mean, you see the holes, the bubbles, and that's fine. It's more like a little decorative, so that's fine. And look at beautiful little pumpkin earrings. Isn't that cute? Made from silicone mold, epoxy resin glue.